No, me, so if you kiss foot and not suck to her, how that go?
Remember say your face, remember say your toe look better than your face, you know, so no.
Well, you have a pine, then that's how you ever suck it.
No, that don't make no sense. No. That don't make no sense. Oh, that makes sense.
Me only percent. Because my toe look better than my face and my face don't look tree bad. That means my toe are going with some look a bit.
You're not bleaching that sort of. You're not bleaching it. You're not bleaching it.
My leg?
Yeah.
Well, sometimes I never bleach it yet. That one is brown now.
That means you're pum black then, man.
No, you're my pum black, of course.
You have a man?
Me?
Yeah.
Me interested in somebody, but then no.
Who that?
I can't tell you who. I can't tell you who. You're crazy.
Tell me first that I name.
No, you don't know him.
Don't tell me say I'm 6, you know.
Oh, please, man. So, what am I tell you, say you?
Me?
I say, suppose I tell you, say you.
You know if it's a baby father you look?
No, me don't, well, me don't know my baby father, but me definitely know say I know you, because me ain't never yet fuck.
Khandy, you know say? You know say TikTok has done a lot for you.
TikTok, look boy, talk what you talk and mix me,
No, me I say TikTok has done a lot for you because
What do you mean by that?
remember you usually sell pump, you know. So me I say TikTok has done a lot for you. TikTok really changed your life.
Well, remember say when me I sell the pussy, you did the right side and me I sell the body too. And you know out.
No,
So the two our life TikTok change.
If I did so it go,
No, listen up,
if I did so it go, if I did so it go, you'd have come talk it long time.
No, but remember, you know, remember say, oh, you know say me sell pussy? Because we were right beside each other.
No, because me buy from you.
No. That's no you have to lie on pussy. As a man who drive markets, as a top man, you know to tell lie on pussy. Remember say the first pussy when I sell. Remember the first pussy when I sell? You did the right side of me and me did a fight for the spot. Remember the man in the BMW. We are not. Stop it and remember, because stop, come go on now, because me go bust it up, because me never want nobody know say me don't sell pussy. But since you bust it up, me go bust it up.
Baby.
Members, no, baby, alright, you don't understand what I'm going right now.
Yeah.
Listen, remember the day, remember the night, when time me and you did stand up.
Khandy, move baby.
Go on over here so look at the chat was.
Yeah, take a rotate camera.
Alright, it's your bag, girl. Remember when time the BMW man did pull up in night? Run a blood clot. Which power road then they moved there? Run a Ripon road. Remember how they run a Ripon road at night? And the man in the BMW stop. And he said, Mama, what you do? Him say, him ask me what I have. Me tell him say I have balls combo, goose thread, fuck and suck, fuck only. Right? And him say, alright, how much of the goose thread? I tell him how much of the goose thread and him say, who you are roll with? And I say, no, say, me I roll with my friend. Him think you was a woman because you have the locks and the ear. And I say, him say, alright, the two want to come. And I say, no, you know say it's a man. Him says a man. And him say what you say is a man. Member good enough.
Member.
Hold on.
Member, so when I did take off. You not listen up? Oh, you want to talk your part and I can't talk?
No, because me not reach to the point.
Member say.
No.
Member say when member say.
Me don't talk when me a talk.
Khandy, listen me now.
Member when the man ask me how much my pussy, I'ma tell him tell me say you him want fuck. When time I go back to you now, me say yo, the man say wants a piece of body for fuck, you know. And you look for me and say, how much him give me? And me say, boy, you for name your price. Then you turn on to me and ask me say.
Alright, so Rosalie.
Wait now.
Rosalie.
Wait now.
Listen, let me talk. You want to talk?
Me not get the
Listen
price
up.
of started.
Rosalie.
Jayden, wait.
Rosalie.
One arm, guys. Remember mute him and talk. You not make me talk. Oh, you know say me sell pussy. One time me did know and a man tell me say him want my friend. Him come to how much me sell my pussy for?
James.
I'm like a rip and wood with it.
James.
You can sell it for $10,000.
James, come here.
That's how body you a sell. I'm in a body for Atta. Sell it for 15 grand. Me say sell your body fuck for 15 grand. And him say, alright, I so come him know say me sell pussy.
Can go so. Listen me, alright, listen me. So a man come to buy.
A close argument me comfortable about me can't tell the mix up me a rank. You don't come.
Wait, I roll, me soon forward. Alright, Khandy, remember you know, a man come for buy pum, right? And him say one bottom over your pum. How that make your pum look?
They know that, me show you, member say no. I know how my pum look. Member say 75% of Jamaican, well, me not go say. Member say 40% of Jamaican man fuck body. So really and truly, them would have picked the body over my pussy any day. Overall over any woman. You understand? Like a man like you know. You would have picked a body over pussy. Remember 40% of Jamaican.
Khandy, when me a lead, me talk my
stuff. Any man go choose body. Any man when for body would have choose body over pussy any day.
There you go. I let in the money man them make them barging. I want to the money man them a barging, a marching so. I come in with the money. Yeah, angle that. Girl, you don't know when me angle over here, so me angle over here, so girl. You don't know when me angle that, charge me angle that. Man, don't tell the money man themself a come in. I know them a come in. Yeah, I call them. I don't know them there. Yeah. Thank you for the rose. But I tell us that I take time I come in. Man, I tell us that the money man them take time I come in. Man, I ask you that. I know them. Man, I ask you that. Man, I have to ask you that. Yeah. So the money man me at oh. We make girl get wet. Yeah. Money man make girl get wet. Yo. Man, I ask you that. Girl get wet and she not see nothing yet. I just the money alone make sure wet up. Man, I ask. Yeah. The money make me wet up. Lord God. Somebody say more of them. Something me. Yeah. Yeah, that's same something that I thought about. Yeah, that's same something that I thought about. Yeah, let show the money man them to make them come. Let them in. Let them in. Right now, I don't wanna. Listen to me now. All right, see the money man them there. Yeah. You're crazy. Then why me should dash out my body for your broke boy? Me not for dash out my body. Me not for dash out my body for the money boy. Bad to bad. Me not for dash out my body for the money boy. I can't act up my body and me not see no money. Yeah. Yeah, them money deserve it. Yeah. Get out of shot our body. Yeah. Me not ask. Come with the some of them there, with the puppy them there, with the puppy them. Oh, once the puppy them a wiggling body, yeah. Yeah, the puppy them here talk about. The puppy them here talk about. I just wiggle my body 2 times, so. Same way like I said, the puppy wiggling body. I just send some of that. Just hit the live goal and send some of that. I'm showing when I talk about. Yo. Man, ask. What you say, man, ask? Listen to me now, sir. I don't want nobody to introduce me to them name right now. I don't want to see a broke man right now. No introduce. Listen to me now, Mr. D. Mr. D. Mr. D, now introduce yourself to me. Money man them me I talk about right now. Yeah. Them me I talk about right now. The money man them me I deal with. I don't really want to know where you come from right now. Alright, y'all get black. Master, all a mute. I'm not black, you know, all a mute. You two blood clot, right? Don't send a dog in my chat. Don't send a dog in my chat, a blood clot. I give that. Hey, don't play with me, you know. Don't bomb a clot before me take a big stone and lick down your blood clot, you know. Don't fuck up. The people here send lion in my chat for. If I want lion, the people them can't send me lion. I want look like I'm frightened for lion. Look like I walk a frightened, look like I'm frightened Friday. Wait, don't send a lion in my chat. If I send that again, dirty stinking mouth boy. You just get a blood clot black. Send that in here again if you're bad. It's nobody over here big lion. Eh? I look good, say any man will just randomly come over here, come send me a lion. You see me over here, blood clot, big lion, I say send lion. Eh? No, don't do it. Me not over here beg no lion. If somebody see me and let me and want to send a lion, fine. But me not beg nobody no lion. Don't do that. If people want to send a lion, I sell a lion. I send a lion because them feel like the people who come over here and have them money too. Them have them money. Like the fuck? People have them money. So, I not beg them a lion. I not